Hi everyone, let's try to create this presentation and see how it's look like. I know it's kind of get boring creating a presentation every day and every day. I'm doing that for over 1,000 days, I think. But let's start. At first, we need to create a new slide. In the next slide, we need to format the background. For the background color, we are going to use from more colors. We are going to use this green, okay? And let's insert our circle, and then we are going to use another green, but you must understand you must use the green near the green you use. Okay, it's good. Now we need to select that and we need to create this effect. For creating this effect, we need to come from the darkest to less darker. Let's try to create that. For that, we need to hold this rectangle, hold this circle and create a copy of that, 3 copy, and then select all 3, align center, align middle. Now we need to reduce their size, 1 and 2. Okay, then select all 3 of them. After selecting all 3 of them, we are going to format background to dark, and then we are going to make from the darkest to the lightest. Let's go by here for this, and let's go by here for this, and let's go by here. You see, let's go to the more colors and choose the perfect color. It's good. Now we select all 3 circles. You go here and give them no outline, and then you need to give them some shadow. We are going to use inner shadow, or you can also use outer shadow if you like. It's up to you. You can use another type of shadows, but I'm great with that. We bring them down. Now we copy the text. The text is some simple text. I use Overdrive Sunset font to create it. Okay, it's good. Let me just select the circles, bring them down, copy that. Here we need to apply the background to all. Let me just increase it in size. And I not need to reduce this to size. Okay, it's good. To make a place for the text, copy the text, paste it here, copy it another time, but before copying, select this 3 thing and simply just bring them to front by here, bring to front. Now we copy that, increase it in size, copy the text. Let me just delete a little text. Okay, it's good. Now we need to bring these 2 to front. You can bring them to front from here. Then copy them, increase its size, paste the last text. Now create all 3 of them, set the transition to morph. Let's see. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, ask me in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.